All right, guys, welcome back. We got about, I believe, two more homework assignments. And then we have a closure, and hey, then you got a test. So time is flying by. Go over the homework here real quick. Um, First question, 185. Again, this is, some of you are confused by this. It's pretty much an algebra problem. We're trying to find out what n is. So just to kind of show you for A, which I'm going to draw it up here where I have some room. It says 15n equals 225. Well, when we see a variable next to a number, that means 15 times something equals 225. So the easiest way to work through this, um, which we'll be working on later in lot in 7th grade, is divide each side by 15, which gets you 1, which is n, and then simple division. How many 15s go into 225? You'll get your answer. For the next one, B, that looks a little different. You have, again, you already have your simple division problem. How many 12s go into 84? So, I mean, just simply set it up like that. Or 12 times what is 84? If you're looking at your multiplication table, you might be able to find these really quick and simple. The next question, 186. Jack has 4 tiles and he wants to find out how many different shapes he can make. Again, just sketch all the different arrangements, just like we've done in class. I'll do my best here, but just again, the easiest example here would be, there we go. There's 4 tiles. So try to do at least 3, I'd say. 3 or more. If you can do more than 3, that'd be awesome. Bring them into class and show them to us. And then the next one, we want you to find the area and perimeter of each one. So for my first shape, the perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the area, of course, is always going to be 4. So just make sure, as I said, if you at least do 3, draw them out, give us the area and perimeter of each, you get your credit for that question. 87 here, write 4 different fractions that are equal to 1. I don't think you really need to use your calculator to check if it's equal to 1. For example, 1 would be just 1 over 1 is equal to 1. And also 3 over 3 is equal to 1. So you kind of get the gist of that right there. Very simple. Give me 2 more. If you want to use those 2, go ahead. 88, we got a little table here with multiples. Just write down the number that appears in both rows. So you get, look, you're going by 2s. So of course the next one's going to be 8. And then here you count up by multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Just fill out the rest of the chart. Don't forget on A here, describe any patterns you notice. So we just need a little written statement right here. B, smallest number that appears in both rows. So there's one question. I'd write that right there. And then the second question is, this number is said to be the least common multiple of 2 and 3. So just one question, answer there. If you want to know more about least common multiples, if you have your book at home, there's a definition and example on page 143. And then next, you got to find 3 more common multiples that are not in the chart. Just make sure you give us 3 there. D, largest number that is a common multiple of both 2 and 3. If so, what is it? If not, explain. So you got to just tell us if you can find the largest one of both 2 and 3, and just remember to explain why or why not. Then the last question, you can probably spread these out. We have lots of room down here. Not a lot of room right there. But you're supposed to write a whole number in the box, in the fraction blank over 4. So again, equal to 1. You already did this earlier. What is equal to 1? Well, 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So that's the question there. And then again, just looking at greater than 100 right here. Might be the only other one that might kind of slip you up. It's anything that would be at least 401 over 4 or more. So even if you did 500 over 4, that would equal a value over 100. So that's pretty short homework tonight. That's it. I'll attach again an answer key for you to check. Um,